Most of the time, it's not as hard to get a loan in Australia as it is to get a 1-hour cash loans, very quick funds Australia no credit check. This is because without the credit check, the lender wouldn't know if you can pay back the loan on time. Even though it seems impossible, you can still get a 1-hour cash loan very quickly in Australia without a credit check. In this video, we will talk about and list some of the best ways, apps, and financial institutions that make this possible in Australia. So if this is something you're interested in, you might want to pay close attention until the end to learn everything about 1-hour cash loans and, most importantly, where to get them. What are very quick funds Australia no credit check 1-hour cash loans? A 1-hour cash loan is a type of emergency cash loan that gets you cash as soon as 1 hour after you get approved. These loans are mostly used in times of emergency. We all know that even after a loan is approved, most banks don't give the money to the customer right away, which can be a problem most of the time. But if you apply for a loan from a 1-hour cash loan, very quick funds company or app in Australia, you can be sure that you will get the money in 1 hour. But keep in mind that you can't get your money until you've been approved. Top 5 Best 1-Hour Cash Loans Australia No Credit Check Very Quick Funds. This video shows you the top 5 apps for 1-hour cash loans in Australia with no credit check in 2023. Number 1. Jacaranda Finance Personal Loan. On our list of the top 5 best cash loans very quick funds in Australia with no credit check, the Jacaranda Finance Personal Loan is number 1 because it offers loans from $300 to $10,000. Even though the loan amount is high, the time you have to pay it back is long enough to give you time. The length of time you have to pay back the loan is between 9 and 24 months, and the interest rate isn't too high, but it depends on how much you borrow. Pros: quick approval time. The application process is entirely online. You can get a loan even with bad credit. Cons: high APRs, charge establishment fees. Number 2. Sunshine Short-Term Loans. This is one of the fastest payday loans because approved customers get their money within 30 minutes. With a Sunshine Short-Term Loan, you can borrow between $150 and $2,000. The interest rate is high, though, and the time it takes to pay back is shorter than with the first loan on our list. Pros: quick approval time. The loan application is online. People with bad credit can still qualify. You can repay your loan early without penalties. Cons: high APRs. With this loan, you'll have to pay it back in 9 to 14 weeks. The interest rate is about 4% per month, and there's a 20% fee to set it up. Number 3. Day loans. The day loan acts as a kind of middleman between someone who wants to borrow money and someone who is willing to lend money. With a day loan platform, you can borrow between $300 and $10,000 at an annual percentage rate (APR) of 5.99% to 35.99%. Even though the platform is new, it has helped a lot of people who want to borrow money or lend money with a 3 to 24-month repayment period. To use this platform, you have to live in Australia full-time and be at least 18 years old. If you are old enough, go to the site and fill in your information in the required field. Then, wait for the system to match you with the lender. Once matched and all terms have been accepted, the lender will approve the loan and the money will be sent to your account. Pros: fast and simple online application process. No credit checks. Repayment term length may be adjusted to meet customers' needs. Cons: you have to be at least 18 years and reside in Australia to qualify for a loan. Number 4. Fiverr Finance. This is another site where people can get a quick loan for any reason, like an emergency. The platform gives out business loans of up to $2,000 and personal loans of up to $10,000. One interesting thing about the Fiverr Finance platform is that you can still get a loan from it even if you have a low credit score. Even though the interest rate on this platform is pretty high, a small loan costs 4% per month and 20% to set up. But the time it takes to pay back is between 1 and 12 months, while it can take up to 3 years to pay back a personal loan. Pros: applicants with bad credit can qualify for a loan. Quick approval time. The application process is purely online. Application takes approximately 5 minutes. Cons: high APRs, charge establishment, and monthly fees. Number 5. Viva Payday Loans. Although the amount you can get from the Viva Payday Loan platform isn't as high as all the previous ones we have listed, the Viva Payday Loan is a platform that links lenders with borrowers and ensures that they receive the cash in an hour's time. This loan platform gives loans ranging from $100 to $5,000 with a repayment period ranging from 16 days to 1 year. Pros: quick online application process. No collateral is required. Borrowers with bad credit can apply. It has matching services that reduce the groundwork. Clients don't have to research to find suitable lenders. Cons: high fees and rates. How do I apply for 1-hour cash loans? Very quick funds Australia, no credit check. The steps for applying for a 1-hour cash loan Very Quick Funds Australia with no check are very simple and straightforward. Follow the steps below. Step 1. Find a quick lender. Step 2. Check to find out that you are eligible for the loan. Step 3. Visit the site and fill out the application form with the required information. Step 4. Sign the loan contract. Step 5. Wait for approval and get credited. Step 6. Get credited in 1 hour after approvals. Getting a 1-hour loans Very Quick Funds in Australia might be sometimes hectic, but we indulge you to make your plans ahead with a good lender, so that any time you are in need of a loan, you can always turn to them to make a request.